All right, what is up guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another beautiful day in Southern California. Today is an exciting video because we're heading over to Ducati of Santa Barbara to meet up with the winner of our custom Tuono series. He's coming up right now on his way from Anaheim, California. I believe he's bringing his girlfriend, and we're gonna get his reaction, let him see the bike for the first time in person, go for a ride, and it's gonna just be a great freaking time. So this is always my favorite part of the giveaway series, the build series that we do, giving it to the new owner, seeing how much they love the bike, and yeah, it's just a great time. So if you guys don't know what this is, it's just a Patreon funded giveaway series. If you want to check it out, help support these projects and be a part of what we do here, be entered to win beautiful custom dream bikes. This is the next bike we are going to be customizing and giving away right here, the 2020 S1000RR. Check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. I'm going to enjoy my ride over there and I'll catch you at the Ducati shop. All right, so we arrived at Ducati of Santa Barbara. Fidel has arrived. And he's wearing the winning number on his shirt, 7303. How hilarious is that? Did you have that made after you won?
I made it yesterday.
That's so freaking awesome, dude. So we're gonna go inside, he'll see the bike for the first time, then we're gonna go for a ride. It's gonna be awesome, stay tuned. She's waiting, your steed awaits. What do you think? It's always better when you see it in person, huh?
It looks amazing in person.
Yeah. It's funny when the other winner, the Exiavo winner, Ruben, when he came down, he was like, man, it looks totally different in person, you know? Because you see it on videos, but it's always different when you see it in person. So yeah, man, take a look, sit on it, do whatever you want, man. That's your bike. I'll grab the keys for you, have the title and everything in the car, and then yeah, we'll sign it all over for you, and then we'll go for a ride. And you have, what do you say, you have a Ninja CX-6?
Yeah, I was too nervous.
Yeah.
And that was my old bike.
Oh, okay. What do you have now?
I actually have an Exiavo.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, that's awesome, dude.
It's because I had a Ninja for like 6 years.
Okay.
And when everyone would ask me how to say Ninja, and I recently got the Exiavo, but I was way too nervous.
Oh, shit. I love it, dude.
Really
yeah, people don't realize, like, so when they're chatting with us for the first time on camera, and just being on camera too, I mean, this is something that we do every day, but most people aren't on camera, so you gotta cut them a little break, guys, okay, when they're on camera for the first time. So how do you like the Exiavo?
It's amazing.
It is, right?
Yeah, it's really comfortable, really fast.
Did you buy that because of my videos, or is this a bike you always had like?
I liked it, but I was watching your videos.
Yeah.
And I didn't win it. So
okay.
A couple months later, I sold my Ninja.
You got the Exiavo.
And got the Exiavo.
Yeah, dude, that's so awesome, man. Shit. All right, we'll have you start this bad boy up. It's already turned on. This is the kill switch. It's weird because when you press in the kill switch, it stays in. So just make sure it's out, and then just that button right there. First startup, baby. Sounds so good. Yes. All right, folks. Fidel is on his new $50,000 custom Aprilia Tuono. He's even matching with his shirt, and he looks freaking awesome, dude. Give me a little rev for that bad boy for the YouTube fam. Oh yeah. He's never been on a Aprilia before or a Tuono, let alone a freaking completely decked out one. Dude, you look really good on that thing. It suits you well. And he dropped a bombshell on us that he has an Exiavo too, so he's got a better freaking garage than I do right now. Guys, look how sick he looks on that thing, dude. Fuck, man. Hell yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna miss that bike. Hey, but luckily, you're local, we can go and ride together.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
That'd be pretty cool, man.
Yeah, I'll have to come down there and ride with you and check out your Exiavo too.
Yeah?
That would be a lot of fun.
This thing feels as light as my Ninja I had.
Yeah, it is, dude. So it's 428-ish pounds. That's as light as a 600. Actually, it's probably lighter than a 600, you know?
Yeah, this feels amazing, man.
Yeah, Brian crushed it, man, with like setting it all up and everything. It just feels, everything is so like, it's like track ready, you know?
Yeah.
And so on the street, it just feels ridiculous. Dude, you'll destroy all your friends with their leader bikes. It's so easy to ride with that riding position and just the handling and how light it is and then how much power it makes. It's crazy. Yeah. And it has quick shift up and down too. So you can shift without using the clutch.
Oh, okay.
You just have to be on the throttle to do an upshift and off the throttle to do a downshift.
Alright.
Yeah, actually I think you can even be on the throttle for downshifts on that one too. So see how mine, I can just go and just flip it up and I just shift up. You can do the exact same thing.
Okay, oh yeah.
Isn't that wild? So it works better like the more you're on the gas for your upshifts.
Yeah.
And then it works better when you're decelerating to hit your downshift. We're gonna go right here.
Alright.
So if you guys are tuning in to the channel and you don't know what's going on here, basically one of the things I do on my channel is I build custom motorcycles. They're community funded, and then we give them away to somebody who helps support the projects when we're done. Fidel is the winner of our custom Tuono, and that's why he's up here today picking up his bike and going for a ride on his new freaking motorcycle. So that's kind of how it works. If you guys are interested in supporting the projects, being entered to win these bikes, this is our next build series. So we got the one we just finished right here, the one we're going to be working on right here, and you can check it out at patreon.com/Campisi Customs. We're going to keep building badass bikes, giving them away to motorcycle enthusiasts for as long as we possibly can. So this is a really special moment for me, man, to see somebody on this bike that we spent a bunch of time working on, a lot of money, and yeah, it's really freaking cool, man. Hell yeah, dude. You look so good on it, man. Yeah, wait, that thing has so much power, it's ridiculous, dude. I was
pulling it all the way and that thing flipped up.
Yeah, oh yeah, the front will come up. So it does have wheelie control and traction control.
Okay.
I have them on setting 2 right now, so it does allow for some lift.
Right.
If you don't want it to lift at all, you can turn those up higher, which I'll show you how to do when we get back. But yeah, dude, listen to how dope that thing sounds. I can't even sound this. This sounds like an electric bike. All right, we're gonna hit some turns here for the first time. We'll see how he thinks of those carbon wheels. I got carbon wheels on this thing too. It dips in so easily, you're gonna end up like turning really early. If you want, you can go up ahead of me. I'll watch. We're just gonna go straight here for a little bit.
Alright then.
See how those turns feel. It's such a fast bike through the canyons, man, because of that riding position. Because you're not dipped over onto your wrist so hard, so you have a little bit more control. You look so good on that thing, dude. That suits you really well.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Isn't it so light?
I can't get over the fact that it's so light.
It's crazy. Like the side to side, like back and forth, you know?
Yeah.
It's just so easy. It's almost like too easy. It's weird.
A little pull?
Yeah, go through some gears. Hell yeah. Do you hear that thing popping every time you shift? Yeah, so when you quick shift, it pops and shoots a flame. It's so freaking sick, dude. So you should try downshifting. Go off the throttle and then just press it down. Yeah, see how it barks at you?
Yeah.
It's so bad. That's one of my favorite things, dude. Every time you're like coming up to a stoplight or whatever, you just go off the throttle and just boom, boom, just barks at you. Oh god, that fucking bike's sick, man. I love it. I love it. You don't even have to blip the throttle. You can just stay wide open on the throttle and just upshift. When you use your quick shifter, you know?
Yeah, I did it at the end right now.
Yeah, I can tell you're just so used to blipping it yourself. Yeah, it sounds so good, dude.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, well, so we're getting close to the end of our ride here. What do you think about your new bike, man?
This thing's amazing, man. Everything about it. You know, I really enjoyed that pop.
Yes.
I did the quick shift. It keeps putting a smile on my face every time I do it, you know?
Hell yeah, dude. Well, I'm super excited for you. I couldn't be happier for you. And we'll be in touch. But you'll have to let me know once you get used to the bike, like how you really like it, you know?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's head back to the Ducati shop and we'll do a sign out up there.
Alright, sounds good, man.
So how was it?
It was freaking awesome. What do you think of the bike?
It's amazing, man.
It's badass, right?
Really badass.
He's never had a quick shifter auto blipper, so it's gonna take him some time to get used to that. But so for the most part, we're just putting along, you know, talking, whatever, having fun. On the way back on the highway, I'm like, hey, you wanna get on a little bit? He's like, yeah, all right. We get on it. I'm doing like, I don't know, 120 probably. I don't know how fast he's going. I see a cop on a bike like this, just pointing the radar gun. Yeah.
No.
I'm like, cop, 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 cop. So we both slow down. Luckily, there's a lot of traffic, you know?
Yeah.
And we just both cruise by him at 65. He just stares at us. I was like, oh my God. We never pulled out, thank God.
Nice.
But yeah, it was freaking awesome. So yeah, hey, congrats on your new bike, brother. Yeah. Thanks for supporting the series. Again, if you guys want to be entered to win this new BMW S1000RR, be the next Fidel. Check out the Patreon page. It's the first link in the description below. We are going to load this bike up for him, get him out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Made it. Woo! It's always the scariest part. After all of this, you just drop it, you know?
I know, right? Start over.
All right, off they go with Tuono. See you guys? Look at that thing. It looks so good on there. Oh, sad panda. Another one down, right? Another one down. Ah.